Do you want an animated keyboard like this? So let's get started. First, open Google Play and search Keyboard Cafe. After that, download that application. After that, give it the permission it asks. And choose the animation you like. And you can also preview the keyboard animation. Here you have this animation keyboard. You can also apply themes for your keyboard.